Yes sir, rise and grind, good people. Back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. I got two vehicles this morning I'm working on. I'm gonna give you the first one. It's gonna be a starter replacement. The 2016 Toyota Camry LE. This is our starter, going with reman. Got two bolts holding it in, and it's located on this side of the transmission, driver's side. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
First we want to take off our battery, take the battery out, and remove the air intake, the box, the housing. There's a starter right there. Alright, like I said, we're going to take the rest of this off so we can get to it. Probably don't need to take off this, but at least this portion. Alright, pull these clips out right here so we can get up under here. You can see the 10mm bolts on each side holding it in. Alright, once you move that, pull that guy on out. And starter. That's our bolt there. There's another one there. Signal wire, power wire. This one I'm using. I got a deep 14 socket and I got an extension. And that's how I'm going back to that back bolt. Instead of taking out this whole box, get up in there like that. I already broke it loose, so I can do the rest by finger. Go ahead and remove that 12mm holding that power wire. Oh, come on now with it. Matching up. This is original OEM Toyota part. It's the first time she's had to do any type of maintenance. Alright, so we're gonna go in, put in our signal wire or power wire first. And just finger tighten them all down. Once I do that, I'll just tighten them down now. Plug up that signal wire. And we put everything back together, reverse order. go. Yes, sir. If you're liking the content, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate the likes. Comment, subscribe. Any questions you have, don't be afraid to ask, man. I'll answer them, get with y'all. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I'll see y'all next video. The Pull Up King.
With another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.